Thank you for watching our video and
a bell.
yeah, ring the bell. Bling dong, boom boom boom. Thank you for watching. So I hope you enjoyed this cool and fun video. So that is the railway that we just built with a little bit of two sides railway. That was fun. So woo, hip hip, hip hip, cool, amazing. Thank you for watching. So here's our studio and it's fun. So we would like to show you a bit of behind the studio, and it looks a little bit busy. As you can see, this is the way we build our studio, our light, and we do our video all inside. Come to our YouTube channel. So as you can see in here, today we are back with, what do we have in here?
A train station.
A train station. That looks awesome.
So there's light here and there's a light up window which we can change.
That is super cool. And even the station looks awesome. Yes, I'm looking forward to see the completion of this railway. What about you?
Yeah.
I guess you're gonna be the grandmaster. Okay, let's get started. So hope you're gonna enjoy this video and you're gonna put your thumbs up and let us know what you think about it, because that is an awesome station. That's the best.
Oh wow, this is cool.
Look what's coming, the train, metro. I'm glad you're fast. Oh no! Will you be able to do before? Yes, just about on time. That's super cool.
Now here it separates into two lanes.
Wow, it looks like you are the master. You know how to put this all together. So, wow, it looks good. And we're gonna make the train to go. Will that go? Will that go? Yes! There you go. Let's see how it's gonna come out from the other side. Here comes the train. That is awesome. The way it looks like. Oh no, it's gonna fail. Oh, it's the rail. We gotta need to build up the rest of the rails. Awesome. That rail looks super cool. I like the way it comes.
This is maybe my favorite station.
Wow, that's super cool the way it comes. Here comes the train. We're gonna need to be super fast. Here comes the train again. Oh no, yeah, are we going to build it on time? Yes! We managed. This train station looks awesome. I really love it. Here comes the train, looks super cool on this station.
Can you change it to a smart train?
Yeah, if you think that will fit better, maybe we should change the rail, or we add more trains. Let's see if we're gonna go from inside. What is going to happen when the train goes from inside the station?
Maybe it will go to the same place.
You think so?
Yeah, it went to
Okay, maybe we need to make the train to go the opposite direction, so it's gonna go up the station.
Look, the smart tech.
Here comes the smart tech.
I think these trains might be going the wrong way.
I think so too. Maybe we should change the direction.
Wait,
Oh no, they're going to crash.
This is going to be cool, look.
They're going to oh yeah, that's super cool. The way, yeah, that was a good imagination. Oh no, let's see. Oh yes, super cool. And let's see if it's gonna go on the top. But we still need to finish the building, the top part of the station.
We need the up bit.
Yes.
Like it's down the other
We need
way
the
again.
upbeat. We need the upbeat. Oh no, the station. Oh no, what's gonna happen? Oh, I'm glad you stopped just on time. Okay, now the train's gonna go on this part, but we have this to build it. Wow, that's super cool and looks like a bit complicated to do it.
Yeah.
Okay, and what else do we need?
This here.
That looks like an elevator.
This here.
Super cool.
Like that.
And here comes the train. I think we can let the train go up the station. Super cool. Here comes the train on this railway station. That looks super cool. Oh, I'm glad you repaired it. Oh no, it got stuck. Oh! Boo. Cool, so that is the station. We're gonna make a train to go through the station one more time so that you get to see exactly how does it gonna go, and we're gonna choose our favorite train. Who's gonna choose which one is their favorite train? So we got different trains in there. Wow, that looks awesome. And probably it's fast as well. Cool, so let's put them on the rail and see what's gonna happen. The first one's going, wow, look at this. Super cool. Oh no, they're about to crash. Oh. Okay, now we got the selection of our train. So which one is yours?
This one.
This one.
It's cool because it's got the coolest carriage. You've got this, then can
What's
put
that?
water in.
Coca-Cola?
No, water.
Water. Super cool. So it's transporting water.
And then this is yours, isn't it?
Oh, is that mine? That looks like a baby train.
Close that.
And back on the rail.
So should we make this look?
Yes. Oh, look, my one is on the rail. It's going super fast.
Oh, did it go the wrong way?
Oh no, what happened? And then we're gonna start the fastest one. Oh, wow. Look what happened. Wow, look at this, super cool.
And look, this turns.
Yeah, and the water moving. Oh, but none of the trains are going up to the level one. Let's see. Oh no, they're gonna fall. Oh, stop the train, stop the train. Wow, look at this. Whoa. Whoa. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and leave your comments if you can. If you're not, thumbs up. And stay tuned with Happy Kids Toys. So that's our new railway. Thank you for watching and stay tuned to our new videos.